The Court of Appeals of Santiago has sentenced the surgeon José Retamal Carvajal and the Clínica Alemana S.A. to pay compensation of $40 million for moral damage to a patient who suffered a cerebral vascular accident due to negligent care. In a unanimous resolution, the 13th Chamber of the Court, made up of ministers Carolina Vasquez, Claudia Lazin, and the judicial prosecutor Jamie Salas, has resolved the previous ruling that rejected the claim for compensation. The court determined that the testimonial evidence presented by the doctor was not sufficient to undermine the arguments of the lawsuit, noting that the majority of the witnesses worked at the clinic and their statements were not credible. The resolution indicates that the medical diagnosis, even if it is a hypothesis, must follow the Lex Artis standard, which implies the performance of specialized examinations. It was determined that the doctor did not take the necessary measures regarding the patient's condition, which aggravated her consequences after the AVE. The court also determined that the Clínica Alemana is responsible for not having the necessary means to provide the service and for the negligence of its staff. Likewise, the subsidiary claim of the patient's children for moral damage was accepted, due to the suffering she suffered when seeing her mother in these conditions. This decision confirms the responsibility of health facilities and their professionals in providing adequate care that meets medical standards.